Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sasmiati. I'm from class D. In this video, I will read a summary of the material from the Reading for Professional Purposes course. The first material is Introduction to Reading for Professional Purpose. In this material, we discuss about the lecture, course contract, course overview, and syllabus. Lecture process and assessment with Adi Isma or Sir Adi or Mr. Adi as the lecturer of this course. Place of birth date in Pindrang, November 27, 1992. In research, English language teaching and education technology. In this lecture contract, there is a contract about attendance, assessment exam, implementation, and additional rules as for the assessment in lecture attendance. 30%, assessment 40%, mid-semester test 15%, and final semester test 15%. The second material is Identify Key Information in Professional Text. Identify key information in professional text is a crucial skill for effective understanding, remembering, and utilizing information in a professional context. There are several techniques that can be used in identify key information in professional text. The first is skimming and scanning. The second, reading, heading, and subheading. The third, taking notes on the main content of the reading. Fourth, finding important information in paragraph. Fifth, taking notes and summarizing. Sixth, reading the text. And the last, using critical thinking method to find information in the text. As for benefit of identify key information in professional text, first, deeper text comprehension. Second, enhanced reading efficiency. Third, improved communication skill. And the last, better decision making. The third material is understanding structure and organization of professional text. The structure of professional text organization emphasizing the importance of clarity, conciseness in audience awareness in effective communication. Like an introduction to professional text, the structure of business emails, such as subject lines, greetings, body paragraph, report component, and clear writing strategies, and learn the main components of technical report such as executive summary, methodology, introducing, result, and discussion. Presenting report finding and interpreting their signification in the context of the raised question. Organizing information effectively such as logical flow, clear structure, and visual aids in understanding the structure and organization of professional text. We also study clear and concise writing strategies. The first, active voice. Using active voice makes writing more direct and interesting. Second, strong verb. Choose strong verb that conveys active and meaning, avoiding vague or passive language. The third, concise paragraph. Concise phrases. Avoid redundancies and use precise language to convey ideas effectively. The fourth material is skimming and scanning techniques. Skimming is a technique of quickly reading a text with the goal of getting the general idea or main topic without worry about detail. Scanning requires searching through text with the specific goal of finding a particular piece of information or detail rather than reading comprehensively. In this material, we study about skimming and scanning purposes. One purpose of skimming and scanning tells about what general information is in a precise. Scanning helps about finding specific facts and also learn about skimming and scanning technique by applying definition, purpose, and techniques. Readers maximize information comprehension within concentration with time constraints and optimize learning in an increasingly digital landscape. The fifth material is reading report and proposal. A professional report is a formal document prepared to convey information, findings, analysis, or the result of an activity, research, or project to relevant stakeholders. This report is typically written in a structured format, including an introduction, methodology, result, conclusion, and recommendation supported by data or evidence. Reading and understanding these two types of document require skill in identifying the purpose, structure, and key point presented. A deep understanding of the content of report and proposal also aids in making accurate and effective decision in a professional context. The sixth material is critical reading. The critical reading definition describes the process as a form of language analysis to a certain extent, involving a deeper examination of the text, the ideas, themes, and claims presented. This practice enhances comprehension, improves critical thinking, and strengthens problem-solving skills by engaging different parts of the brain. Through strategies such as active reading, questioning, and evaluating, critical reading not only aids in retaining more information, but also develops a sharper, more analytical mindset. In essence, it transforms reading into a mental exercise that fosters both intellectual growth and better decision making. The last material is reading, meeting, and presentation. Mastering reading skill for meeting and presentation is essential for successful business communication. By skimming, scanning, and intensive reading, we can improve our comprehension, convey information effectively, and become more valuable contribute in meetings or presentation. Consistent practice and application of the tips will transform use into more effective readers and communicator. By applying those types for effective reading for meeting and presentation, and knowing the benefit of mastering the skills such as time efficiency in the understanding, better presentation, and better decision making.